Hey, what's up everybody? This video I want to show you how to purchase Procreate on App Store. First of all, you open App Store, then search Procreate. Click on the Procreate icon. Double press power button and verify yourself. Now choose payment options. Enter your UPI ID. Then continue. Again choose payment method. Click on add funds. Enter amount. Then next. Now accept payment request on your UPI app. Amount will be added in your Apple account. Again click on Procreate. Verify yourself to make payment. Wait for few minutes. Now enjoy your Procreate. Thanks for watching.